Welcome to Quetta's View. Hi, my name is Quetta, and I just bought a house. So come on in, and we'll start here in the living room. So you're getting a view of the dining room, and we're panning over here. This will be where the formal living room is. So I stepped over into the dining room and showed from the front door right into my kitchen. So I made a little 2D blueprint to show where I am in the house. So right here I'm in the den, panning the den all the way over to the kitchen. But I'm going to go back out to the living room and enter through the office and show the master bedroom, the bath, and the closet. So this is the office to the house. Since I work from home and my kids homeschool, this will be a good place for us to keep all of the electronics and computers. This is the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. Straight ahead is the master closet. So this is the big closet in the house. We've had the sheetrock redone, the flooring redone. Now we're over here into the master bath, which I'm super excited to get my hands on, but it's in a state right now. Okay. And so we're leaving out of the master bedroom and we're back into the den, just to show you the full circle of the whole thing. From here, we're in the den and we're gonna go over to the laundry room. Okay, so here's the laundry room. It's kind of like in two parts. This is where the washing machine and the dryer will be. Taking a slow pan out, and there is a door in the laundry room. I'm really excited to have a full laundry room. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the living room and we're going to go to the right side of the house. Here is me going up that hallway a little bit, and I'm going to pan the camera around just to show that there are 4 rooms on this side. We're going to start with the full bath, and it has been structurally sound and upgraded, but I have to do the cosmetics, of course. Here is room 1. So far it's just needs the carpet and stuff still pulled up off the floor and out of the closet. And here is the closet. It needs a good paint and cleaning, but it's a beautiful room. I love the dimensions and everything. Okay, so we're gonna go back out to the right and we're gonna go to room 2. Room 2, right up there where the arrow's pointing. It's kind of like a green room right now. It will not be green when I get done with it, but I love the size. So this is room 2. I love that there's 2 windows and it's bigger than the other 2. It has a little cute closet in it. Okay, so here we are. This is the room 3, which is right off from room 2. It has a bigger closet. It's a great room. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching and walking through the house with me. Thank you so much for watching. I really don't know what I'm going to do with the whole house, but I'm really excited to have a big DIY project where I can be as creative as I possibly can be. Stay tuned for my journey, which should be pretty interesting since I really don't know what I'm doing. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.